For this experiment of measuring vitamin C in fruits and vegetables, you will of course need fruits and vegetables, which you will choose using a grater, mortar and pestle, or a juicer. You will put these fruits in beakers, and then further on some test tubes. Over here we have some fruits and vegetables from ecological store, and here from supermarket. You will also need some distilled water, iodine solution and starch solution.
First, mix 10 grams of ground fruit with 50 grams of distilled water. Then, prepare the indicator solution from starch solution and iodine. Pour 100 milliliters of starch solution into a beaker and add a few drops of iodine until it turns dark blue or purple. After that, stack test tubes in a rack and mark them. One test tube for each fruit sample and one extra to compare the color afterwards. Add 5 milliliters of starch/iodine solution to each test tube. Carefully add fruit juice with a pipette and count the number of drops added until the color of the indicator disappears. Mix or shake each test tube in between adding drops of fruit sample. Observe the results straight away. Considering that iodine reacts with vitamin C, we can conclude that the fewer drops were needed for the solution to change color, the more vitamin C the juice contained. Based on this, we can say that the kiwi fruit from Biomarket, followed by the red bell peppers from Rimi, contained the most vitamin C.